What measures are taken in order to maintain the accuracy and the reliability of the test results?
All the SOPs are strictly followed, and then regular training of the staff, participating in external quality assurance programs, identifying outliers, taking immediate corrective action, and then orienting all the technicians regarding whatever preventive actions are to be taken. So this helps us in maintaining a very good accuracy of all our results.
What are the common misconceptions that people have about pathology labs?
So the most common misconception which I have come through is patients feel that if we ask some history, they feel that we are manipulating the results based on the clinical history, or we are changing the results based on the previous results. That is not true. There are many tests which need to be correlated clinically before the results are released. And this is what I will want to convey to all the patients, that clinical history taking is also important for pathology tests, and it is essential for your clinical management.
So what do you do in case of emergency test result?
Yeah, so if a patient comes for a test which has to be reported urgently, and if the patient has some condition where they require an urgent report, so the person who is collecting the blood sample, they will put an orange sticker over the tubes in which the blood is to be collected. They will enter the same into the system in a software that this sample is an urgent sample, and it has to be it will be also highlighted in the software, and this person will also inform the technician who is processing the samples that this sample has to be taken on an urgent basis and the report has to be released early.